Hey, and welcome to another video. So by now you must have seen, after working on your system for some time and then trying to shut it down, there is a lot of delay between when you started the shutdown and when it actually shuts down. So this is a bug that has been confirmed by Microsoft, but they have not come up with a fix yet. So we have found some solutions that will help you meanwhile. So what you need to do is, first of all, when you try to shut down, before you press on the shutdown button, you need to disconnect every USB device that you have connected to your system at that point. So just make sure before you press on the shutdown button, just disconnect everything that is connected via USB to your system. The reason for this is, the thing that is actually stopping or delaying your shutdown is called USB Type-C connector system software interface, which is a part of Windows. And what happens is, after you shut down your system, this actually takes around 30 to 40 more seconds to close and disconnect all your devices after the shutdown has been initiated. So the simple fix right now is just disconnect all the devices, that is USB devices, from your system and then try to shut it down, and you'll see that the shutdown is now significantly faster. So this was the only fix right now, and I hope this helped. If you like this video, click on the like button below. If you are new to the channel, click on subscribe to stay updated to the latest content. I hope you have a good one.